So we thought we would do this tour of the boat a bit raw. We've literally not even walked around the boat yet, so you're going to be seeing it for the first time as well as we are. So yeah, without further ado, we'll get on.
So we are in Vietnam on the Halong Bay boat tour. So now, without further ado, we're going to show you around. So I'm stood in the entrance, and we have toilets to the left and the right, and then we have a big reception area, which was kind of gobsmacked on how big it actually is.
So you're literally seeing this raw as if
we've
seen it first.
We haven't been down here yet, so we'll go down here first.
Has a lift as well. It's 4 floors.
So expecting that we would have to walk everywhere. So I feel like these are just rooms. So this is the first floor. I'm not 100% sure if there's going to be any down this way, but like I said, we're going to explore. Okay, so we've got some shared bathrooms.
Nothing here really. It's just like
a bit of a lounging area. It's probably a smoking area as well.
Lounging area.
Huh?
Yeah,
lounging area.
It's a lounging area, guys. There's the beds.
There's a chair.
There's a chair.
I meant, you know, a bit of fresh air, but yeah, smoking area. Right.
It's a lovely lounging area. This is the best part of the boat, guys.
Can lounge. Right, anyway, carry on the tour. Oh, hello.
Thanks.
Okay. We only need to go up 1 floor, but we'll just show you that we have a working lift.
We could have got upstairs by now.
The lift's here. Okay.
Right, I'll meet you up top.
No.
Hello.
Hi. Okay, so now we're going to show you our room. Keep on, please, sir.
We've already seen our room.
Yeah, so the room's the only thing that we have seen, and obviously the reception, but we haven't seen upstairs or anything like that, so that's going to all be literally raw. So, welcome to the humble abode. So, as you come in...
We thought this was a sofa.
Yeah, we thought this was a sofa.
And this was our bed. So he was going to go complain.
We was a bit confused, but...
We walked in.
We have a round bed. We've never ever had a round bed in our lives. We've been together 6 years. I don't think we've ever stayed in a round bed before. And yeah, very nice.
Lovely decking area.
Hello.
Hello. It's our shared deck. Hello, neighbours.
So we have a big old balcony with some sun lounges. Obviously a beautiful view. I think because there's meant to be 3 people staying in here, that this lounging area, this outside area is bigger than other people's. If we come back inside, we have a desk area and we have a TV. And I think the thing that makes this room feel expensive and a lot better is because we have these massive windows with obviously a really good view. And we have a little I feel like this is more of a suite.
Yeah, it's like a suite.
Yeah, it's like a suite. And if you come into the bathroom, we have a bloody bathtub.
But not only a bathtub, it's a massage bathtub.
It's got jets in it. Look.
Oh, the key's not in.
Oh.
The key's not in.
Okay, the key's not in.
We can't show you, but we'll probably put up. Well, I'm gonna have a bath anyway. Just use that.
And we've got one of these fancy toilets that some of you may have seen in our video when we was in Kuala Lumpur. The ones that like wash and
Massages and dries your bum, and then.
Yeah, we have some lovely like thing. What are they called?
Soap. We have some soap.
We have some complimentary things and some little like shower gels and stuff. Look how cute it is though.
You're in a little bottle.
They're like, not got a lid, but yeah, cute. And we've got a lovely rainfall shower and we've even got a hairdryer, so could think of a worse place to stay. But anyway, let's carry on with the tour. So we'll go down the road because we feel like there may be a gym.
We got told there's a gym down here.
Not sure of how much like of a good gym it is, but
cheers, pal.
It's a gym. Wow. Everything actually looks really clean. So we have a little exercise bike, treadmill, some weights, a little area just so you can just do like a basic workout with a beautiful view as well, so no complaints. And then let's go. I don't think there's anything down there. Let's go upstairs. Let's go upstairs. Oh wow. Okay. So this is a lounging area. So we have some sofas, we have some recliner chairs if you want to call family or make a bit of quietness and away from everything else. Okay, we have a bathroom.
Oh, it's like a sofa area.
You go in. Oh, wow.
A sofa and chill area, maybe.
Cinema room.
Oh, it's a cinema room, yeah. Cinema room, yeah. Cinema room.
Okay.
That's the captain's view. It's incredible.
Oh, really?
Okay, so this is probably the best bit.
Oh, wow.
Wow. Hello, Captain. Oh, wow.
Captain.
Hello. Okay, so this is the full-on lovely living space, and this is the captain. I don't think I've ever seen an area so big for.
The captain, yeah, it's nice.
Maybe we can get a hello from the captain.
I did. Did already.
Hello, Captain. Hello. Nice to meet you. Shall we go the other way? See what's.
Oh, we're good to see.
Go this way? We did get told that we would have a barbecue tonight, so I'm not 100% sure where that is. I feel like there is something still above us, right?
Yeah, there's another floor.
Okay, there's another floor. Oh, there's a massage chair. Does it work?
I put it there, I put it plugged in.
Okay. Anyway. Oh, there's another floor.
Oh, this is where we had our lunch.
So this is where we ate lunch earlier. So this is the big lounging area. So this is the big lounging area and the bar. And then if we come through this way, we have some outside space to come through this door.
I'll meet you around there.
Oh,
That was a pool table.
see. Can't see. Yeah, in 1 second. Okay, we will in 1 sec. We're just filming a YouTube.
So you're in the YouTube video.
Okay, so this is the big lounging area, I guess, where everyone can just chill out, play pool, and a bar as well.
Bar.
I'm not 100% sure if this is where we're going to have the barbecue. Maybe we see if there's another floor.
You guys German?
Right.
This is our host.
Hello, host.
Ah, you're from Rotterdam.
Say ahoy.
Ahoy.
Ahoy. Ahoy. Okay, we're going to go through the other side and go up the stairs just to see if I'm not sure if this is the last floor, but we'll have a look.
Yeah, top deck.
But yeah, we get breakfast, lunch and dinner included. So all food is included, and then the only thing we have to pay for is alcohol.
And I think normal drinks.
Alcohol and normal drinks. I think all tea and everything is also included. Okay, let's go up to the last floor.
We basically thought we'd do this a bit raw, so you're seeing it as we're seeing it, because, yeah.
Oh, jeez! Get
It's a
this.
sky deck, I assume.
Wow. You could have a wedding up here. This is absolutely amazing. So we have this big area. It feels like you could have a wedding or a party up here, but just imagine loads of people. I don't know how many people was actually on this tour with us. Maybe 40, 30?
30, I think.
So, yeah. I don't actually know where the boat's going in a minute. Oh, look, we've got a leg chair.
I'm sure we'll probably find out some more features of the boat, because it is massive. It's literally just off the cuff, like filming the video as if we were seeing it. So I'll just eat it.
But we're gonna go just show you the front of the boat, and then I think that's everything.
Living, I don't know what it is.
This is a chiller.
Okay, so
This floating
yeah.
village.
Yeah.
So we've come across quite a few floating villages since we've been travelling, but I'm not actually sure where our first destination is. But yeah, this is the main.
I think you literally just cruise around here, don't you?
Yeah, and then I know that we like jump in and kayak and stuff like that, so I feel like it's quite a chill vibe. So that's the end of our boat tour, but make sure that you stay tuned because we're going to be releasing like what we do during our time here. So yeah, thanks for watching and stay tuned for our other videos. Bye!